Hey, what's up guys? Mao here for Unbox Everything. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Happy Meal toys for May of 2019. These are the Ugly Dolls toy line from the Ugly Dolls movie, which is coming out real soon. And yeah, we're gonna be taking an in-depth look, but there's nothing in here because they gave it to me like this because there's a lot inside. So I'm going to be opening up all of these and showing them to you one by one so you can have a close look and decide if you want to pick up any of these or all of these. So here I've got alright, well I've got 5 of them. I've got 5 of them and there are 10 to collect. So I got half the toy line and I'm going to be opening them up. These are the ones that I think look the cutest. And I think that, you know, 5 is enough to give you a general look at what these do and how they are. So we'll open them up one by one and give you a closer look right now. This is Ugly Dolls. Alright, so the first one we're going to open up is Wedgehead Bakery. His name is Wage, I guess. Wage, and he comes with a bakery. Again, Ugly Dolls started out as a card game. Really fun card game. I really like that game. And then they made it into a movie that talks about being an ugly doll. Yeah. Okay, so it comes in a box like this. And at the back, I think you can color those. Yeah, so inside, actually it's really nice packaging. Happy Meals don't usually come in something like this. So this is actually pretty fun. Wow. So inside, ooh, inside we've got the figure. It's a nice size. Alright, so here let's take a look at the figure, and it comes with a colored pencil. So here is the character called Wage. No posability, can't move, and comes with a colored pencil. If you can see that, if you can see the tip of that colored pencil, you can see that it's got multiple colors. So that's pretty cool. And then yeah, this box thing comes with, inside it comes with this. Figure out what this is, and then I think these are stickers. Yep, more stickers. Alright, so what's gonna happen is you're gonna get this, you're gonna pop out these cardboard pieces, and then you're gonna attach them to this, and it's gonna make like a little house thing. So I'll do that real quickly and show it to you. Alright, so here is the house, the bakery, all put together. It's actually really fun because you get to stick in the cardboard and it actually becomes a bit 3D, so you can see this. This part is really sticking out, and then it comes with stickers. You can put stickers on the house, but I'm not gonna do that right now because it takes kind of long. Again, at the back, there's this blank color activity thing where you can color. So you can color the back, and then yeah, here again is the figure. What's cool is that you can also color the blank figure. So for example, here he is, and then let's color him at the back. You can color him like that. So you can actually color the figure, and then you can wipe it off. It's not super permanent, so you can wipe it off and erase it if you want, and do it again. But yeah, so it comes with the colored pencil, the figure, and the background. I mean the little house or whatever building that it comes with. So that is Wedgehead Bakery. This one's really cool. Let's open the next one. Next up, we've got Icebox Ice Rink. Alright. Here we go. This is Ice Bath stickers, cardboard stuff, and Ice Bath. So here's Ice Bath up close. That's really cute, and then comes with the colored pencil as well. It's like a blue and orange tip that you can color on Ice Bath. And again, these can hold the pencils like that, which is pretty fun when you put them on display, so you can use this to color other stuff and then just put it back on display when you're not using it. So here is Ice Bath's Ice Rink. This one's really nice. This makes it look really big, and then there he is right there. So this one's really nice. There's the ice rink. Really cool. Ice Bath, Ice Rink. Alright, the next one we're gonna open up is Wedgehead's Bank. His name is Wedgehead. Comes with a bank. There's a box. This is Wedgehead, really cute, and then the colored pencil it comes with, again, it's like a blue and an orange, and then this is the cardboard for the box. Now here is the bank all put together, Wedgehead and the bank. So this was really nice because again, it looks really tall and it's really big. The cardboard is really good quality, and the print is really nice, and then yeah, Wedgehead, and there's the bank. Cool, 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 cool. Next up, we've got Auxes Party Shop. Auxes Party Shop. Here's the box. Yep, Auxes is the one that looks like a bunny, which is one of my favorites from the card game. There we go. Oh, I like this one. That's cute. Look at that. There's Auxes. That's such a cute one. I really like this one. Auxes, and then comes with the pencil. Now let's put together the, what is this? What does it come with? Right, the party shop. Let's put together the party shop. Alright, so this is the party shop of Auxes, and actually this one's really fun. Again, the thing that is added on the top makes it look really big and really tall. And there's Auxes holding the pencil, and here he is with the party shop in the back. I really like the coloring of these boxes because it looks really 3D. It doesn't look like a box, you know, especially from afar. It looks like, yeah, it just looks really cool. And there's Auxes. Okay, cool. This is one of my favorites, Auxes. And finally, the last one. This is Moxie. Moxie's newspaper stand. And I believe Moxie is one of the main characters. Judging from the trailer, I haven't seen the movie yet. Are you gonna watch it? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear if you're planning to watch this, and if you're a fan of the Ugly Dolls series or card game. There's a box. Again, the blank coloring page at the back that you can color. Oh yeah. Nice, nice. Look at this. There is Moxie, and with the pink pen, it's got pink, blue, and yellow on the tip. Yeah, there's Moxie holding the pencil. This one's really cute. Yeah, a lot of people are gonna want this because she's one of the main characters. So I popped out all the pieces, and then now we're gonna insert them like this. So we're just putting these into the cardboard box. This is how you put together the little house. Alright, that is the newspaper stand. Again, it's really nice. It's got, you know, 3D parts where, you know, everything's really coming out. And there is Moxie, and the newspaper stand. Alright, so that is the Ugly Doll set. Those were 5 that I showed you. These 5 right here. They look really nice, even just plain white without having the color on them. So again, they each come with a colored pencil, a multicolored colored pencil, which you can color in on these figures, but personally I just like to keep them white. And then each of them comes with a little house or a building, which you can put together so that it's not just a box. You know, it's got more elements that you add on it, which is really fun. I actually found that to be really fun, putting it together. It's more fun than putting stickers on something, you know, building up this cardboard little craft. Really fun. It also does come with stickers, and you can use the stickers to add more detailing on these boxes, but I think they look pretty good just as they are. And that was just my quick review of the Ugly Dolls Happy Meal toys. They're really nice. I do recommend them because they're really fun and really great quality. And yeah, I hope that you found this video enjoyable, and I hope that you found it helpful to help you decide if you want to pick up any of these or all of these. Again, I do a lot of monthly unboxings of Happy Meal toys and other fast food toys, so if you want to see more content just like this, consider subscribing. If you want to see last month's Happy Meal unboxing, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything. Shh.